here at some body shop in an unfamiliar part of town. I think that's our Tundra we need. Let's double check the address. 1615, yep, that's it. Okay. Don't know if we go into the front office or what. Don't see anybody back there. Let's just call our guy. Hey, Francisco. Hey, is it a black Tundra? Okay, I'm here outside. I don't see anybody out here, though. Okay, thank you. This is it. Black Tundra. Oh, I hear music that started up. Someone's here. 5 p.m. Easy. What's going on, man?
Hello.
Picking up the Tundra for Francisco?
Yeah.
Okay, are the keys in it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Oh, I found it.
Okay. Perfect, thank you.
Only reverse, no?
Only reverse works?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So let's see. Well, that's not great, because... Oh, man. I want to walk all up in there. If only reverse works, this is not going to be good. Yo! I hear them singing. Yep. Can I open this gate so I can back the truck in right here? Okay. I was gonna say, because then I can just back in and grab it that way. All right. Thank you. Holy hell. All right. Why is this guy calling me now? Hey, Randy. Oh. You there? Hello? Yes. Yeah. Tomorrow? Yeah, we can do that. What time? Okay, what time tomorrow? Do you want me to pick it up? Okay, it'll probably be first thing in the morning, so probably right around 8 or so. Yeah. Okay, and just text me when you know for sure. Thank you, bye-bye. People asking me questions while I'm trying to do stuff. Let's see, 315. All right. Sorry for that brief interruption. Hopefully this thing starts. It seems like it's been sitting, and it was definitely towed by a wheel lift because the steering wheel was tied off. Okay, we only get one shot at this because if I hit the curb, it's not gonna end well. Oh, backup camera, love that. I can't see the wall very well. There we go. We need to go forward, so let's see. Maybe it'll have drive? No drive. But it's rolling well enough. Oh my God, that's so weird. It's only got reverse. It's a common thing though. Not super common, but it's more common than I'm making it out to be. All right, right there's fine. I don't need to jam up their whole operation. Leave it in neutral, roll the window down, set the parking brake. Damn, whoever was driving this is shorter than me, even. Alright. Let's get our pictures. Almost forgot that. My stupid podcast is playing. Lots of annoying distractions on this pickup. Not annoying. Customers aren't annoying me, obviously, but let's see. Get our pictures from the back. I was wondering why I was smelling cigarette smoke all of a sudden. I didn't see him standing there. Alright. Let's back the truck up. And it started playing again. What the fuck?
That's alright. It's something I don't have to
So annoying. Shut up. Let's see. We'll reverse so I don't have to jump the curb. They're like, oh my god, he's gonna hit the tree. Nope. No tree hittage for me. Not today. Not on my agenda. Ooh, curb. Did, however, miss the stab, so we gotta go out a little farther. It's funny they towed this big ass thing with a wheel lift. It's a big bitch. He's swinging off the back of a wheel lift. All right. Release the winch. The big old meat hooks. Down the chute. Let's get my jacket all dirty now. Oh my gosh. Customers don't listen. I asked him to text me. Oh, who was that calling me? I think that was my customer that I'm calling this for. He probably butt dialed or accidentally dialed me. So he hung up. Good to go. Not run over the strap because we're gonna have to turn. Just gotta get the widest turn we can. Right about there should be good. Could have gone a little more, but that's all we need. a big bitch. I wonder why the transmission went. Probably because it's a stock transmission with giant wheels and tires. I think I said that on another video. I had that Ram that was at that job site. Turn it a little more. And we are almost good to go. Oh yeah. Christ. All right. Straighten it out. Ay, ay, ay. Making me work. Oh shit. Almost fell. That'll do it. Ooh. Almost ripped my pants. Let's not do that. And I ripped my pants. Get the back chain on before we tighten that down. Let's see. Fucking Toyota. Love that. Full link off on that one. Let's put this away before we forget. Cinch it up. Good to go. Don't know why that did that. I think the hook shifted. We will double check that in just a second. Yeah, the hook just shifted. Okay, it's fine. Okay. Someone else is calling me again now. Alright. That'll do it for this one. Going to Camelback Toyota. Alright, starting the clip a little early because we gotta kind of finesse this turn. It's not the greatest fucking section. And of course, there's some asshole in a Dodge in my fucking way. You know what, we're just gonna go now. Sorry, Versa. Alright, we're in. Let's see where we need to put this thing. It only does reverse. Of course, there's some dickhead in a AAA truck sitting right in the fucking way. Gotta love it. Don't know where we should put this thing. Kind of just driving. Guess we're gonna put it over here. Service express only. Well, we can be express today. No, we'll probably put it in one of these spots back here, actually. Yeah, and they have a power pusher. They can fucking figure it out. All right. You know what we'll do is just drop it across a couple of these spots. That way they don't have to power push it. They can just back it right out. All right. What a pain in the dick. Hopefully our customer's not trying to pull a fast one by saying he's going to be here to pay and not be here. Because these keys aren't leaving my hands until we are triple P paid up. Hopefully this isn't a service advisor trying to tell me where to put this piece of shit. It's not. Okay. As I'm sure you guys have figured out by now, that's my favorite thing, is when a service advisor tries to tell me how to do my job. I will do what they're asking within reason, but sometimes what they're asking is just unreasonable. I think this is Francisco, hopefully walking back towards us now, which is our customer. Don't think we've worked with him before, so. That looks like a well-dressed body shop owner to me. I don't know. I don't know him. Come on, you motherfucker. Ay, ay, ay. Hopefully we can reach that one on the other side. Oh, he stopped walking, so maybe that's not our guy. Well, he has continued to walk. Hopefully that is our guy. How are you, sir? Yeah, I figured this would be the best spot for it because it only does reverse. Okay. So we'll put it right here and then they can just back it right up. Yep. All right. And do you know, is the owner here, Francisco? Okay. Okay, cool, because I got to talk with him. All right. 236,000 miles. Kinda crazy. Good old Toyota. Parking brake. All right. Oh, he went over there. There's those.
Thanks, boss. Appreciate that.
Thank you, sir. You just get this put away and then I'll meet you guys up there. Oh, that's not what I want, not maps. Tow book, drop off picture. All right, that'll do it. All right, picking up an Acura TL. Says it's got a bad starter. Hello. No, that one's fine. Yeah, that one's okay. You don't have to move that one. No. Yeah, it's okay.
Ah, sí. Voy a cerrar, no. Más que cerrar por acá, por acá. Ah, Walter. Aquí, a cerrar.
Does he have the key?
Yeah, he got the key.
Okay.
You need it?
Yeah,
We're gonna follow you.
that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know why I grabbed my gloves. Don't need those just yet.
Okay. Here's the key.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yo les aplastaba aquí abajo y sí, ahí está. Si le toca.
Ooh, shit. Unlock the winch, grab the single hook, get it going. Just want to make sure we're not grabbing the tie rod. Nope, it's way up there. Okay. Just hit my head. For some reason that like cleared my nose out. But they seem very nervous about me towing this thing. As I say that. Oh shit. I think that was just the hook settling, hopefully. Let's see. Yeah, I think it just slid up the arm a little bit. Let's see, can we see? Yeah, it just slid up the arm, it's fine. He said he was going to meet me there, and then he's just standing there watching me do this. different states of wear, but they all seem to be the same tire. Interesting. We get to drop at CB Auto. All right. Did you want to do cash or card? Okay, let me turn the truck off real quick. We'll do that right now. Alright, here at CB Auto / AutoZone / Grease Monkey / appliance store. And of course someone's coming down the way that I need to go. They parked, okay. One of the worst places to drop at. There's just no room for anything, ever. Since this one is a no start, we'll go make sure we know where they want it. Might be able to put it right here, drop it there and push it, see if that'll work for him. You want it in front or behind of the Suburban?
Do you put it right there?
If we drop it here and then we can push it, yeah, right there.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Perfect.
Actually, we'll put it right in front of the tune-up sign. Then we just push it straight. See, walk up with an idea. Don't let them just decide. Then they end up fucking around and trying to get it in a super perfect spot that is a bitch to get into. Waste my fucking time. That'll work. I don't want to get too close to either of those trucks. All right. Double check and make sure we're not going to touch that other truck on the other side. Nope, miles. Okay. Just want to make sure. You talking to me? Couldn't hear him. Probably asking me to move, but shouldn't park there. Sorry. Oh, he's got room. Never mind. No, maybe not. Put it in my truck. It'll hurt you more than it hurts me, I promise. My truck would not give a single fuck about that Highlander hitting it. I've learned when I know I'm dropping here, to always come up this alley, or this like little dividing road in between AutoZone and the appliance store. I used to just come around this way in front of us right here by the U-Haul stuff. And there's never any room over there. And then we either have to make this turn to get out or go straight through, and the other shop has this just a mess. So this is the easiest way in and out. You fucker. Okay. Sinaloa. Roll this thing down so we can get some momentum, give us some room. So if we drop it just right here, that's not gonna, oh wait, I gotta unhook it first. Let's just triple check. That noise like made me jump, so I just wanna make sure it wasn't anything crazy. No, okay. All right, let's roll this thing back. Can't get going too good though. The bumper wasn't touching or close, but still don't want to run it into the ground. Oh, that's cool. The speedometer's in kilometers. I didn't even notice that because the car's from Mexico. Very nice. All right, let's get the back wheels off. That didn't work like I thought it was going to. Set the brake. Have to move my bed out of the way. Let's see. I'm gonna try to get it right there. You wanna go back more, you think? Okay, if you want to, go for it. I was just trying to move the bed. I was just trying to move the bed so we...
Have you already paid for it?
Yeah. Is that gonna be out of the way enough? Okay, I just want to make sure. Dude, it is absolutely pissing oil from that passenger front side.
Oh, it's power steering fluid, probably turning.
Oh, is that what it is?